In today's video, I am going to teach you how to get Argentina Steam account. By the end, you'll have a brand account set up the right way. Verified, protected, and ready to use without risking violations that could get your account restricted. Use a reputable VPN, such as NordVPN, Windscribe, or UrbanVPN, that offers servers in Argentina. Turn on your VPN and connect to an Argentine server. Ensure your IP address is recognized as being in Argentina. Next, head to the official Steam website or open the Steam app. Click Sign In, then select Create an account. Enter a valid email address you can access right now and re-enter it to confirm. Then under Country of Residence from the drop-down select Argentina. Complete the CAPTCHA to prove you are not a bot. Agree to the terms and click Continue. Steam will send a verification email to the address you provided. Open that message and follow the on-screen instructions to confirm your email before proceeding. Once your email is verified, continue with the setup. When you are asked for your country or region, choose your actual place of residence. Steam uses multiple signals like your connection and payment methods to confirm your location. Picking your true country keeps your account compliant and reduces the risk of purchase blocks, wallet issues, or account holds later. Next, create your Steam profile. Choose a display name, set your profile picture if you want, and install the Steam client if you haven't already. Before you explore the store, take a moment to secure your account. Enable Steam Guard two-factor authentication, either through email codes or the official mobile app. This adds a strong layer of protection to keep your library and purchases safe. Make sure your email account also has a strong unique password and two-factor enabled. When you are ready to make purchases, add a locally valid payment method that matches your region. Or redeem official wallet codes from authorized retailers in your area. Using payment methods tied to a different region can cause checkout failures or trigger account reviews. Sticking to local options ensures smooth transactions and consistent access to sales, refunds, and support. From here, you can browse the store, add games to your wish list, and try a free title to confirm everything works smoothly. Keep your Steam client updated. Be cautious with links and trade offers. And never share security codes with anyone. That's it. Thanks for watching and enjoy your gaming the safe and compliant way.